Hey guys, good morning. We're actually planning to go to Pattaya. Kaso, napagod na kami sa activities na ginawa namin. So we decided just to chill and work at the same time. Bili tayo sa mga karinderya sa ilalim so that matry natin yung authentic local food here. So the app I'm currently using here is Google Lens. It's actually available for free in the App Store. Translation features is extremely helpful and I highly recommend it for those who travel abroad and are not fluent in the local language of the country. Guys, nakabili na tayo. So ito na yung food natin dun sa food stall. So this one, all in all, the Hainanese, the pork chop, it's actually 65 baht. And this one is the Hainanese chicken with a cucumber. It's 55 baht. We also got the coffee. So kay Mot, yung pinili niya is American coconut. And sa akin naman is vanilla macchiato. And may pastry silang sabaw. And by the way guys, ang dami na binigay na sauce. Yan o. Hindi kami sure kung ano yung tatry namin. Sa mga friends ko dyan sa Thailand, comment down below kung ano ba yung masarap dito. Maybe ito spicy. Ito yata gravy. Ay! Sorry. So, guys, that's it. So, let's try the American coconut. What? Coffee siya guys, pero coconutty. Ang coconutty niya.
Stop it. Get some help.
Masarap siya, masarap. This one. Oo. Macchiato siya. Masarap siya, masarap. Yung sauce na spicy, sarap. Oh, one more thing pala guys. Hindi ako kumakain ng spicy masyado sa Pinas kasi ina-acid ako. But here in Thailand, hindi ako ina-acid guys sa spicy nila.